Hey loves, it's your girl, Mrs.Ronyea, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my everyday makeup routine. So first off, I'm going to start off by just priming my face with my Makeup Revolution primer. Then I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 13, and I am going to conceal all of my blemishes. In my everyday makeup routine, I don't really use a lot of foundation. I usually just use concealer to conceal, my blemishes. And then I go in with a little tad bit of my Lancome foundation, and I am going to be using a brush, and I'm just going to blend that all out. Just covering the areas that I need a little bit of coverage on. Making sure I blend it on my neck and around my nose in the T-zone area. Now I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution, and this is a soap brow that I use just to sculpt my eyebrow hairs up. You guys, I had a little piece of lint in my hair and I don't know where it came from, so just disregard that. I did go in with a little bit more concealer because I did need a little bit more coverage. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer, and this is in the shade 15. And I am going to contour my face where I want my complexion to be a little lighter. I'm just putting a little dot in the inner under corner of my eyes and on the outer edge of my eyes, and then I'm going to clean up my brows a little bit. Now I'm going to take that same brush that I used to apply my foundation, and I'm just going to blend this out. Making sure everything is nicely blended out. Now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 19, and this is a lot lighter than my other concealers. And I'm going in with a beauty blender, a wet beauty blender, and I'm just gonna lightly blend that out. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I am going to just set my entire face. using a big fluffy brush, just lightly patting that powder all over. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Bronzer Reloaded. I love this bronzer, and I'm just going to apply this up in my crease just to give myself a little bit of a color on my eyelids. And then I'm going to kind of contour my nose down slightly. I'm going to take that same fluffy brush that I used for the translucent powder, and I'm going to apply this bronzer around my jawline, just to give me like this natural contour. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia brow and I am just going to brush this in my brows and just make them look a little bit fluffy. I'm going to be applying these Grace 3D M109 lashes, and I'm going to apply my eyelash glue on my eyeline. And then I'm also going to apply the eyelash glue on my lashes, and then I'm going to apply them. I always like to apply the middle of the lash first and then the ends. And then I press them down using the tweezers. Next, I'm going in with my Lancome Grandiose Waterproof Mascara, and I'm going to put this on my real lashes underneath the false lashes, just to blend them in. Next, I'm going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Palette, and I'm going to go into the darkest shade, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones. And then I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Roxy Blush Palette. I'm going to go into this top right corner shade, and I'm just going to apply that right above where I put the contour shade in my bronzer, and then a little bit on my nose. Next, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution highlighter, and I'm going to use my pinky finger, and I'm just going to place a little bit on the bridge of my nose and on the top of my nose, and then a little bit on my eyebrow bone, and then a little bit on my cheekbones as well, just to give me a little light. I'm going to set everything with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Then I'm going in with my Cork Lip Pencil by MAC just to finish off my lips, and I'm going to line my lips with this. Not really overlining, just lining them. Then I'm going in with this cherry lipstick. It's not a cherry color, but it's kind of like this nude pink, and I'm just going to blend that in with that Cork lip pencil shade. And then I'm going to take a little bit of a red, and I'm going to put it on the inside of my lips, and then finish it all off with a clear gloss by You Love Beauty. So you guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a like, and if you want to see more from me, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you later. Bye.